Over 10 years ago, I was painting furniture in my parents' garage because we couldn't afford a TV stand. Now that skill has saved us thousands of dollars and paid our bills more than once. You don't need expensive furniture to make your home look beautiful. And you don't need a fancy workshop or all the tools either. Back in college, we were just trying to survive. We couldn't afford anything new, but I could go to the thrift store and buy a $25 dresser, paint it with cheap paint, and make it look amazing. That's how it started. And once I realized I could even sell those makeovers for side income, I was hooked. And listen, this isn't about being crafty. It's about taking control, saving money, and building confidence. And yeah, it can totally replace your paycheck if you want it to. If you've ever had to choose between paying a bill or buying something nice for your home, you know exactly why this matters. Comment thrift if you've been there too. Let me take you back to college. We were broke. Like, clipping coupons was my full-time job. Digging old furniture out of the garbage, yes please. But I still wanted our apartment to feel like home, not just a place we were surviving in. Something cute without going into debt. So we went to the thrift store and found this tiny dresser for $25 or $30. It was old, it was scratched. Honestly, a drawer didn't work, but I saw potential. Thankfully, my parents are super handy and were willing to help me out a little bit. My mom taught me how to paint throughout my life, and my dad helped me fix up the drawer, and the top was a little bit busted too. So he helped me put on a new top as well. We did all of this out in their garage because our third floor apartment had zero space to work. So out in their garage, I painted this dresser black. And that was our TV stand for years. It wasn't perfect, but it made me so proud because I had done it myself with a little bit of help. That one dresser sparked everything. As we kept living super frugally, I realized I could keep furnishing my whole tiny little apartment this same way. Buying thrifted pieces, painting them, saving hundreds of dollars, even thousands of dollars over time. Eventually, I realized I could actually make extra money flipping furniture. This was the light bulb moment for me. I didn't have to keep working at the pizza joint that I did not really care for $7 an hour with aching feet at the end of the day. I could do something creative that helped us stay out of debt as well. I tried selling wreaths, I thought about MLMs, but nothing clicked until I saw people painting and selling furniture online. And then I thought, yeah, I can do this. Let's try this out. So I started doing it. That's when I knew this was it. I started hunting for small pieces that we could cram into our tiny Toyota Corolla and just started learning as I went. I spent hours scouring the internet for information on how to fix things without any of these special tools. What paint could I use? All the things that I could gather. Anything that I could do in my tiny upstairs 2-bedroom apartment. I made so many mistakes in the beginning, using the wrong paint, not knowing how to fix damage, not sanding or priming when I should have. But every mistake taught me what worked and what didn't. And now I have painted and sold furniture for over 10 years. And every time I look around my home and see all the pieces I've updated, it feels amazing. The first time a painted piece sold, I remember thinking, wait, I can actually get paid for this? They were so nice to me and so encouraging. There is no better feeling. Over the years, I've sold everything from $45 end tables to $1,300 sideboards. I have sold my furniture locally and I have shipped furniture all across the country. I've met the nicest buyers who still send me photos of the pieces in their home. Instead of spending $1,000 or $600 or $1,300 on a dresser, I've spent $30, $75, $50 on different dressers and then painted them, and they look like $1 million now. I can't even count how many times this skill has helped us pay a bill or cover an unexpected expense. I mean, it helped us get through college without any debt and have a cute house at the same time. If you've ever been in that spot, staring at a bill, wondering where that money will come from, you know how good it feels to have a way to create income from nothing. Even now, 10 years later, I still get excited bringing home a thrift store find. I still get that little spark when the paint goes on and it transforms it. So comment spark if you know what I'm talking about. This is exactly what I teach inside my course, How to Paint Furniture Like a Boss. If you're just starting out and want a step-by-step system that makes it all easier, I'll drop the link below. So that's why I still paint furniture even 10 years later. But here's the thing. Sometimes those thrifted pieces come with a lot of damage. Can a beginner actually fix that kind of stuff? In the next video, I'll walk you through exactly what I did when a dresser showed up with a chipped corner and what worked even without fancy woodworking tools. Tap right here to watch it and I'll see you there.